SOP 2.3 caustic wash. Step 1. Close the manifold and drain valves.
Manifold valves are closed. We're going to close the drain valve. And then we're going to open our return.
That's the pump return. That's step 2.
Then we're going to open our caustic to the pump and make sure this manifold valve is also closed. And then we're going to crack this top return.
The caustic return valve. Why are you cracking it?
So that way we are allowing the water to come up from the pump back in here, which is hot, and then create a cycle to get the pump flowing so we can pump into the
So you want less
case.
caustic going in than's coming out?
Yes.
Why?
Pressure. If there's too much air within the system and you open it up, then there's a possibility for cavitation or air within the pump, which can destroy the pump, which is a very expensive, valuable piece of equipment. So you don't want to let too much air in, but you do want liquid to flow within the system.
Okay. Step 3. Turn the pump on and recirculate the caustic bath to ensure no pump cavitation.
All right, so we're going to turn this pump on. You can hear it's quiet. It's not rattling or very loud, but you can tell it's on and running. Then we're going to slowly, very important to slowly open this manifold valve right here. And we're going to watch our sight glass. As I slowly open it, we'll start to see a flow. And again, slowly opening. Just need to open these. And now we're washing. That all the way. And we can again add air. To increase the cleaning power or impingement of the water inside the keg. And we can also again actuate these valves to again, we want to lower the pressure so we can get the spear on the inside so it's not just going on the outside of the keg. We want the whole thing to get washed. So we're going to sit here and work these. And again, our air.
And we want to do this until there are 15 gallons of water left in the return. So we want to monitor this, and we want to do this until that hits the 15 there. What he's doing there is the same thing as he was doing before, doing one and then the other. Rinsing the stems, agitate with air to ensure impingement of chemical. That's step 6.
I'm going to turn this off. We're at 15.
After the cycle is complete, this is step 7. After the cycle is complete, turn off the pump and close the manifold valve. That's the manifold valve.
This one is manifold, which we will close, and we can also close this return, and we're going to pump back into the bottom with the air, making sure these are open, and we can see the water level rising back into the tank.
So it's coming through here, going through the bottom, going through here, and going up through here, and raising the water level from there. It's not coming through here and then down, because this is where. And that will happen. That's agitation inside when there's a little bit of air pressure, kind of making things in there turbulent. And as you can see, this is pretty hot too. You want to always keep this away from you. You don't want to get splashed with this, because it is hot caustic.
So now it's harmonizing, which means that they are empty and evacuating. So I'm going to close both of these, close our air.
Close pump return, caustic to pump, caustic return valves to isolate the caustic bath from the rest of the cycles. So what did you just do? Did you just do that?
I closed the pump return, the caustic to the pump, and I had already closed the caustic return.
Okay. And that ends 2.3 caustic cycle wash.